In this video, I will show you how to add images to product variants in Hostinger Website Builder. This is my website homepage in Hostinger Website Builder, and this is my store page. And to add images to product variants in Hostinger Website Builder, just go to Store Manager from the top, click on Products, click on your products with multiple variants. First, add multiple pages for your variants. For example, this image. As you can see, now I have two photos. And for these products, the variants are for this size. As you can see, X small, small, medium. Now click on Manage Variants. And next to the variants you want to give an image, click on this little pen and select one of your already uploaded photos. For the small, I will go with this photo. And now click on Save. Click on Save again. As you can see, products is updated. And let's check my website. This is my website live. Go to Store. Let's find my product with the variants that I just edited. Here is it. For the size small, I see this image, and for the X small, the image automatically changes. And this is how to add images to products variants in Hostinger Website Builder.